Do you wake up in the morning?
Yes, I woke up in the morning.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I woke up at 6 a.m.
Why do you wake up at 6 o'clock?
Waking up in the morning is good for your health.
What is the first thing you do after waking up?
First of all, I freshen up.
Do you brush your teeth in the morning?
Yes, I brush my teeth after waking up.
What do you do after brushing your teeth?
I get ready for exercise after brushing my teeth.
Do you like exercise or yoga?
I like doing exercise.
Why do you like exercise?
Because exercising strengthens the body.
Which type of exercise do you like most?
I prefer push-ups as exercise.
How many days a week do you exercise?
I exercise 5 days a week.
How long do you exercise?
I exercised for 45 minutes.
What do you do after exercise?
I get ready for breakfast.
Do you have breakfast at home?
Yes, I usually have breakfast at home.
Who makes your breakfast?
I make my own breakfast.
What is your favorite breakfast?
I like to have toast with jam and a cup of coffee.
I like your breakfast.
Thank you so much.
Do you work or study?
I study.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school.
What time does your school start?
My school starts at 8 a.m.
Where is your school?
My school is in this city.
How far is the school from here?
The school is 3 kilometers away from here.
How do you go to school?
I take the bus to school.
Who do you go to school with?
I go to school alone.
What is the name of your school?
The name of my school is XYZ School.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Who is called the father of English?
Geoffrey Chaucer is called the father of English.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little English.
Do you practice speaking English?
Yes, I practice speaking English.
Do you practice regularly?
Yes, I practice 1 hour regularly.
Who do you practice speaking English with?
I practiced speaking English with my friend.
Do you have friends in school?
Yes, I have a friend in school.
What is your friend's name?
My friend's name is Sophia.
Where does Sophia live?
Sophia lives near my house.
Which class does Sophia study in?
Sophia studies in my class.
Which class do you study in?
I study in 8th class.
Do you have a favorite class teacher?
Yes, I have a favorite class teacher.
Who is your favorite class teacher?
Mr. David is my favorite class teacher.
Where does David live?
David lives in the school hostel.
Do you have lunch?
Yes, I have lunch.
When do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 1 p.m.
What do you usually have for lunch?
I usually have a sandwich or a salad for lunch.
Do you take a break in the mid-afternoon?
Yes, I usually take a short break around 1:30 p.m.
How long do you take breaks?
I took a 15-minute break.
When do you come home from school?
I come home from school at 3 o'clock.
What's the first thing you do after coming home?
I changed my dress first.
Why do you change your dress?
Because I rested a little.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like to play sports.
Do you go to play sports?
Yes, I go to play sports.
Which sports do you like most?
I mostly play football.
Who do you go play with?
I go to play with my friends.
Where do you go to play with friends?
I go to the park and play with friends.
How far is the park from your house?
It's just a 2-minute walk from my house.
When do you go play with friends?
I go to play with my friend at 4:30 p.m.
How long do you play?
I played for 30 minutes.
Do you go to the market?
Yes, I go to the market.
How far is the market from your house?
The market is 5 kilometers from my house.
How often do you go to the market a week?
I go to the market 3 days a week.
How do you go to the market?
I go to the market in my car.
Why do you go to the market?
I go to the market shopping.
What do you do shopping?
I do vegetable and personal care shopping.
What is your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is cabbage.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Do you go for an evening walk?
Yes, I go for an evening walk.
Where do you go for an evening walk?
I go for an evening walk on Marine Drive.
How far is it from your house?
It is 1 kilometer from my house.
What does the view of Marine Drive look like?
Marine Drive looks very beautiful.
Do you eat fast food?
Yes, I eat fast food.
What is your favorite?
My favorite is chicken pasta.
Do you like it spicy?
Yes, I like it spicy.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV.
Do you have a favorite movie?
Yes, I have a favorite movie.
Which is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Avatar.
Do you have a favorite actor?
Yes, I have a favorite actor.
Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is John Cena.
Do you self-study?
Yes, I do self-study.
How long do you self-study?
I self-studied for about 2 hours.
Do you eat dinner?
Yes, I eat dinner.
When do you have dinner?
I have dinner after self-study.
Do you have dinner at home?
Yes, I have dinner at home.
Who makes your dinner?
My mom makes dinner.
What do you like for dinner?
I like rice and cheese for dinner.
Who do you have dinner with?
I have dinner with my family.
What do you do after dinner?
I look at the phone a little after dinner.
Why do you look at the phone?
Because I listen to meditation music.
Do you like meditation?
Yes, I like meditation.
How long do you meditate?
I do 15 minutes of meditation.
What do you do after meditation?
I prepare things for the next day.
What time do you sleep?
I go to sleep at 10 o'clock.
How long do you sleep?
I get a good 8 hours of sleep.
Do you set an alarm to wake up?
Yes, I set the alarm for 6 o'clock.